Hi, Matt.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Ayan. Teo, anong sabi ni ano? Siyempre una na, anong sabi ni Sarah sa lab team niya ni Alex ngayon?
Wala naman po. Sobrang supportive naman niya. Alam naman po yung first love ko talaga pag-arte. So, at close naman sila, so wala naman po.
O kasi nagkaka-production number naman sila ni Sarah sa ASAP din.
Yes. Okay naman, they're very good friends. Hindi lang good friends.
So walang pwedeng mangyaring salusan, walang gano'n.
Sana wala. Wala naman.
Bakit sana wala naman?
Hindi, syempre, wala naman talaga. They're friends, okay naman lahat. Hindi naman sila magsiselos. Okay naman.
Pero napag-usapan ba nila? Did you ask Sarah kung nakapagkwentuhan sila?
Hindi ko pa alam. Mamaya tatanungin ko. Hindi ko pa alam eh. But they know naman. She knows naman I'm working with Lex. And okay naman sa kanya. Masaya naman siya.
So,
Matt, you have assurance of upstairs na okay kayo ni Alex at walang dapat ipangaiba ni Pastor. Pero hindi namamatay yung issue na nag-break kayo ni Sarah. Ano pa talaga yung real status nyo ngayon? Kamusta kayo ni Sarah?
Okay naman kami. Masaya naman kami. Wala, that's just negative stuff to bring us down, but it's not gonna bring us down. Sarah and I, we're strong, we're going strong, and sana we'll forever be strong, diba? So, yun po.
Oh yan, anong bagong challenge dito sa kasi naging leading man ka na before. Diba?
Sobrang ganito dahil sobrang sarap makatrabaho si Alex eh. Sobrang giving siyang partner, sobrang comfortable ako sa kanya na talagang binibigay kong lahat kay Alex na hindi ako takot to give to her. So that's what I'm very excited for, na sana magusto ng mga tao dahil sobrang comfortable kami ni Alex sa screen at sa working relationship namin. So exciting to.
At yun yung sinabi niya kanina na we're just starting, crush na crush ka na. Ano yung reaction mo doon?
Yung nga sinasabi nila sa akin dati eh. Pero nung anong tawag, Go Kada Go, sila yun eh. Alex, Diane Medina, at si Bangs at si Eden Nolan. Sila yung mga girls na talagang maganda eh, di ba? Especially si Alex, talagang sinasabi ko pala maganda talagang grupo na yan. Wala, I'm just happy again to work with her again, and I'm very proud. And I'm happy talagang yung working relationship namin sobrang ganda.
Walang spark for Alex na time na alam mo na it could be another Sarah.
Torpe pa ako noon eh. Sobrang torpe ako noon nung dati. Pero syempre, ako yung sa set dati, I was really shy. I was shy with the girls because tinutukso nila ako palagi, gano'n. So sobrang shy ako. Ngayon naman, hindi na po ako shy. So medyo...
Pero hindi man naging crush si Alex na.
Last question
Crush, hindi naman crush. But I admire her for her talent. I admire her so much for her talent.
You find her beautiful.
Yeah, she's very beautiful. She's very beautiful.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, kailangan
ano yung interest that you share with Sarah?
Interest. Everything we like almost the same things eh.
Example, sports, ganyan.
Sports, she loves the music, she shares music to me, and food, activities, many things, a lot of things we share interest, and she shares to me, I share to her, but it's a give and take thing.
Last promise na lang po, reaction na lang na Sarah yung nanalo, yung team ni Sarah na nanalo sa The Voice.
Yung nararamdaman ko talaga eh, nung first day pa lang nung nakita ko si Jason, talagang feel ko talaga. At I'm very, very proud of them. I'm very happy for Jason. Congratulations sa kanya. And of course, kay Sarah, she's #1 coach, diba? So, astig.
Thank you, Matt.
Thank you. Ingat